Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Fast and 35 you support Ashan, a top league boost. In the meantime, welcome to all of you who just joined. Welcome to Crazy Time with your professional from the jungle, Tiger Khan, reminding you that you do have an autoplay option for the game. Primus, what are you on about, Primus? If you would speak in English, my friend, we would have a lovely chat. We have a crazy time with the vehicle. What can you do when you're that good? Them crazy times are once again ahead of us. And the Red Bull submits once again to the supremacy of the jungle. Decision time for the gangs to choose which gang they belong to. The jungle, the green, the blue, well, blue socks, I guess, yellow for the Hawaiian pizza. And the 300X is the prime suspect. All of those gangs seek out. Vamos! Lovely, such a friendly result. The yellow, the Hawaiian pizza do take the biggest piece of pie. 100 Lovely, lovely. Thankful Atlantidians are thankful. They say thank you, no doubt, as the 2001 Magdalus. Top wing goes to you once again. Such a thankful commute.
Top winners here for this, and here's the next spin time, betting time. Of course, good luck. Let's get busy. Okay. Come on, wheel. We want to catch the rest of the good things. Okay, there's one segment missing. We know what that is, which one it is. That's missing. The big guy, the one and only. Exactly, 7X on Crazy Time. Hi, Mr. Kevin. Oi! Perfect timing, everybody. Follow up with me. Let's go. You know what? Couldn't have it better, guys. The first Crazy Time coming along with 7X on top. Now, this should be interesting. Oh, yes. Okay, let's drop it on like it's hot. So everything is here 7 times better. Woo! Eunice, I appreciate it. You had it. You had a feeling. Anyways, pick your flapper now. Green, blue, yellow, and up to you. We're trying to go for auto pick options always there as well. So, hey, guys, you know what time it is? To get that multiplier. 700 X the max. Three digits all the way. Aww. Now, well, you look at those wins, guys. 6.5K total wins again because she gets top winner. We got 3 digits for all the flappers, you guys. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
exactly 100 winners, not 100. What? 7,080 winners in Ubritem. Since about summer 2023. Oh, I'm hosting for 2.5 years. Overall in this building, I'm for 4.5. Bets are close. $10 cash. And that's how people remember me from all the times of the day. During the night, during the morning, and oh, madre mia! 10 times cash gun, guys! What? Ah! Yes! Yes! Let's go! 10 times more. Check it out! 1,000 highest one! Who told me we ain't getting any wins? Time to take your words back. Yes. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. We got the 1,000. Decision time's yours. Grace and OG. Well, looks like that, yeah. Time flies very quickly, I'm telling you. I was 18 just now. Turns out it was 4.5 years ago. Ba-doom, 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 ba-doom. Shining brighter than some diamond necklace. I'm telling you. All right, guys. 84 people landed at 1,000. Congrats. Cheers. All right, keep it up. Special congrats until 5 winners on the round. Last seconds left. Welcome to Crazy Time. Crazy morning for us on my sessions today. Well, glad to see every individual here.
VH, All In, Bennett, AJ, and Musk. Congratulations on your betting son. Don't forget about autoplay feature now. Gives players an option to place their meta bets automatically for a third of the meta games. Good luck with the next one, ladies and gentlemen. Let's continue now. Here we go. Got a 50 next on coin flip. Well, that'll be nice. Oh, baby, come on now. Yes! Are you kidding me? 15x coin flip, guys. Yeah, buddy. Here we are now. Two colors, as you know, is see those multipliers. Now let's multiply them by 15. 2 and 20. Man, why is this 30 and 300 on the blue? Man, it's got to be this 300 right here. Game, please. This is the moment now that we've been waiting for. Good luck. Yes, 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 yes. We got it, guys. 300x on the coin flip. You kidding me now? 7,355 winners. Like, what is going on today, man? It's absolute madness. Greetings to all newcomers, guys. Hello there. Welcome to Crazy Tom Studio. Man, I think I've never seen 300 on coin flip before. That's just crazy.
8.86k total winners for this. So we're talking says baby, Bjorn and Endless. Top winners here. Here's the next spin time. So certainly good luck. Let's go. Yes, Joker, you were there. But that was during the nighttime, though. Yeah, that was glorious. 800x on Pachinko. Well, I think that's the biggest Pachinko I've seen with my own eyes. And this right here, guys, is yet another top slot I'm giving you on Crazy Time. Nice. 5x on the Crazy Time, baby. Isn't that beautiful, people? In a previous session, 7x. Now it's 5x on top. Crazy Time. This is how we roll. This is Santa you're talking to, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Let's drop it on like it's hot. I'm talking hot. Okay, guys. Time to decide which flapper to go for. Yeah, so it's gonna be green, blue, yellow, one up to you. Which one to go for first? Auto pick options always there. And listen up, hey. The highest multiplier here, ladies and gentlemen. Guess what? It's 500x, unless we hit some more doubles. Let's do it! Yeah, baby! Little happy dance, guys. Come on. 8.8K total winners. We got the 500X. They're rolling in. Yes, the blue flapper people. Oh, you cashed.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.